Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: ASUS introduces the world's first convertible gaming laptop ROG Flow X13 and Zephyrus series. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance introduces an innovative retirement solution with increasing regular income option. Instagram and Facebook roll out the option to remove likes to give people more control of their experience. ASCI issues final guideline for influencer advertising on digital media, launches ASCI social platform. Praxis Business School launches Women in Tech Scholarship Program across all its courses. The Chiranjeevi Charitable Trust Oxygen Bank launches in several districts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. ASUS Republic of Gamers, that is ROG, announced the availability of a new lineup featuring the latest AMD Ryzen 5000 H series mobile processors in India, designed to boost your productivity and take your gaming experience to the next level. The new range of laptop include ROG Flow X13, which comes with a detachable eGPU support, ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 SE, ROG Zephyrus G15 and ROG Zephyrus G14. Commenting on a new range of gaming computers, Arnold Su, business head of Consumer and Gaming PC System Business Group at ASUS India, said, "Our new ROG lineup is built on the philosophy to create an impact through innovations that involve versatility in compact design." Next up is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance has introduced an innovative retirement solution by combining two variants of its popular guaranteed pension plan, which offers a guaranteed return on investment. This solution provides customers with increasing regular income that doubles after 5 years and triples after 11 years, thereby shielding them against the rising cost of living. In recognition of the innovative and industry's first features offered by the company's guaranteed pension plan, it has been voted by consumers as Product of the Year Retirement and Pension Plans. Next up is everyone on Instagram and Facebook will now have the option to hide their public like counts, so they can decide what works for them. You will also have the option to hide like counts on your own posts so others can't see how many likes your post gets. This way, if you like, you can focus on the photos and videos being shared instead of how many likes your post gets. You can hide like counts on others' posts by visiting the new post section in settings. This control applies to all the posts in your feed. Next up is, in order to encourage and support women participation in tech, data and management careers, Praxis Business School has launched the Praxis Women in Tech Scholarship Program. This is in line with the belief that gender diversity in the workforce brings immense value to the organization, the economy and the society. As a part of the Praxis WIT Scholarship Program, a women candidate who gets selected to any of the prestigious PG programs at Praxis and fulfills the WIT eligibility criteria will win a scholarship worth rupees 1 lakh. The Advertising Standards Council of India, that is ASCI, unveiled the final guidelines for influencers advertising on digital media. The draft guidelines initially were issued in February, and feedback from all stakeholders, advertisers, agencies, influencers and consumers was sought. To ensure a collaborative process and expert inputs, ASCI tied up with Big Bang Social, a leading marketplace for social storytelling, to get India's leading digital influencers' views on board. The guidelines will be applicable to commercial messages or advertisements published on or after 14th June 2021. The guidelines make it mandatory for influencers to label the promotional content they post. Manisha Kapoor, Secretary General at ASCI, said, "As a part of ASCI's increasing focus on digital content, We will continue to deploy advanced technology solutions to keep track of advertisements that violate the ASCI code. Next up is the Chiranjeevi Charitable Trust Oxygen Banks are launching in several districts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Mega star Chiranjeevi and his son Mega Power star Ram Charan are closely monitoring the operations of the banks. They are inspecting the cylinders themselves to make sure there is no hassles. Fans, presidents of respective districts are striving for smooth launch and also handling the district level supervision. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.